Hi everyone, this is Aaron from OneSize0.net and we are here right now at Honor launch event. This is 2023 right now, the beginning of the year, and Honor has just released some of the new products lined up for us right now. So let's come and have a look. So this is actually the Honor X9a 5G. This is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G octa-core processor with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. We did the demo a couple of weeks ago to actually demonstrate how tough it is. They say this glass is really durable. Let's try it out.
Damn!
Alright, still holding up. We really have to emphasize this is a very tough going phone. Of course, this is powered by a 6.67 inch AMOLED display, capable of displaying 1.7 billion colors. Other than that, you also get a 64 megapixel shooter and a 16 megapixel selfie camera as well. Price, we still don't have it yet, but we will actually put it in the video as well once we have it upon publishing of this video. The choices of color. So this is actually the titanium silver. Honor also offered the midnight black. Oh, where's the green color? Oh, it's right over there. Yeah, that's the emerald green over there. Trust me, the screen is pretty bright because it has PWM dimming as well. It also has blue light filter. This is good if you say you wanted to read at night time and whatnot. And that's pretty much about it for the Honor X9a. And to our surprise, Honor is revealing 2 more models also. So this is actually the Honor X9a. It comes with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. And this is actually powered by the MediaTek Helio G37. This is much of a mid-tier budget device, but still looks appealing to the mass public. And last but not least, this is the Honor Choice Earbuds X3. It has a 500 mAh battery capacity, which you can do a playback up to 36 hours. So it does have active noise cancellation as far as we're concerned. And this is how it looks. And of course, this is the case, rechargeable over USB-C port. So that's pretty much about it. So remember to subscribe to us, like our video if you like it, and I'll see you in the next one.